There's a storm coming, and I need a hand to hold, with the fear of being here on my own. With the winds blowing, and the leaves they turn to gold, like they did with you those summers ago.
Good morning, happy peoples. Wow, we went from fall to this real quick. We still have green grass, for crying out loud. What in the world? She came a wee bit early. We still have gold and orange leaves on our trees. But here she is since yesterday. Yesterday was launch day, guys. Oh my goodness gracious. Let me actually throw you back to our pretty amazing, epic fall launch. It was awesome. Sitting at the computer when you have a live workout at 10 a.m. and an Alaskan Apparel launch at 10 a.m. You have your husband buy the clothes. He's sitting with. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. It's launch day and my hair is not done.
Yes.
We're excited. We're so excited.
Are you nervous, babe? Why are you nervous?
I just want to make sure everything goes right. There's a lot of moving parts. That's okay. Doing my best.
Okay, you have about 40 seconds.
Oh gosh. Like, please let everything be counted right. 10.
There we go. Good?
Yep.
We live?
And we're live. Boom, just like that.
Just like that. Yay!
Oh boy. We're live.
Bam.
First order?
First order, Jennifer Perkins at 10 a.m.
Wow.
And she got the Denali.
Jeez.
There's them, bam.
Oh. People ordering right now?
Yes. Oh, for the life.
Let's have a geography lesson.
Oh my goodness. The leggings, the Denali, the men's hoodie. Wow. Let's place my order. So excited, I got everything I wanted. Wow.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wait now. I'm on my way 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 now.
So a huge thank you to you guys for all the support and the love that you guys show our family. It blows us away. It literally blows us away every time. So we were out turning and burning in the shop yesterday, and it was phenomenal. We worked. We had a great crew. We had more people be able to come in and help us, which was so nice. So nice. We're gonna try to head there today and try to get the rest of the packages done. Maybe by today. We'll see how fast we're able to go. And but we are running into a slight issue. There has been so much snow that has come that there could be potentially no power out at the shop. So if that's the case, then don't know if we're going to be able to fill. So my babe is actually going to run out and check on that and see if we have power. He's got Garrett with him, and then he's going to drop Garrett off at Grandma and Grandpa's house. Grandpa's going to watch him for a bit. Evelyn wasn't feeling the greatest yesterday. I think she was just like worn out. But I think they're going to come today and help us pack because they are outstanding pickers. They get all of the product to the people who are filling the bag. They just are phenomenal. Anyway, Bert's going to go check on that. We're going to finish up getting ready here, and then we're going to hopefully go out to the shop if there is power. That's the goal. Anyway, guys, you're awesome. Thanks again. I know. I don't know how to actually convey it. Let's continue on to the day. I'll take you with us in this beautiful winter wonderland. All right, let's go.
It's all over the place. All right, load up, bud. Hello, happy peoples. Hope you guys are doing awesome. My wife probably filled you guys in. We are dealing in a bit of a storm here. At least I feel it's a storm. We went from no snow to about a foot in no time. And as I've told you guys before, when you get this heavy snow and you get a lot at one time, you gotta be careful power being out. Luckily, our power is not out at our house, but we're gonna go check the shop because we're hearing reports around town. A lot of people are out of power, so it doesn't do any good to go try to fulfill Alaskan Apparel orders if there is no if there's no electricity. Garrett and I are gonna go on a scouting mission, check that out, see if the roads are safe for the girls, because that's the chivalrous thing to do, right? Isn't that a good thing? So Garrett's my co-pilot. We're gonna get this done. Guys, look at this. Are you kidding me? Welcome to Alaska. All right, let's go check on the roads and check on the power and see if we're good for today. Snow is falling right off the roof. Here you go, bud. All right. You think there's power? What's your guess?
Yes.
You think so?
Yeah.
What makes you think that?
I don't know.
Do you have any reason to believe that the power would be on?
I don't know.
No idea. Let's see.
Whoa.
Let's see. Yep.
Whoa.
Power's on. Give the girls a heads up that we're good to go.
Let's go. What's the ladder?
We accomplished our mission, right? What was our mission?
To see if we had any power.
Power, and then...
We did.
And how were the roads?
Pretty bad, pretty good.
Kind of in between.
Yeah.
And look at all the snow out here.
Look, it's sticky snow.
Oh, it is sticky snow, you're right. So I think what we're gonna do is we are gonna get in the truck and see if we can put a pack down, try to make a little pack so we can be able to run a plow on this evenly. This might look like it's fun, but this is definitely work. What we're about to do is not dangerous and is not fun. This is complete work, okay? All right, Garrett, let's go do our work that we really don't want to do. Think we can do it?
We're not having any fun. We're just working, doing the driveway.
Oh wow.
Alright, I'm just gonna video this. I'm just gonna video this.
Oh my goodness, hang on. Your seatbelt's on, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna hit a tree.
Okay.
Okay, we just went over a tree that was laying down. That was sweet. This is pretty much just like driving on pure snot is how I would put this. Hang on, Garrett. Whoa. Okay.
Dad, I think you broke your car.
Alright, the girls are doing awesome, kicking butt. We've got so much snow here, guys, but apparently they have even more snow. I want to say that we have roughly maybe 12, maybe 14 inches here at the most. But in Moose Creek, which is just south of North Pole, they have somewhere around 18 inches. And their trees are hanging over, knocking out power lines. So a lot of Moose Creek is without power. My parents' church is without power. Steve is without power. So let me call Steve. I know he's trying to get a generator hooked up, so I might need to go hook up some electrical for him to do that. But let's give him a call and see if his electrical came back on, or if he figured out how to hook up the wires to be able to backfeed his house. See if he answers. Cell phones are actually down quite a bit right now. Hey, Steve-O, how we doing?
Oh, we're doing good.
Do you have power back on yet?
Yeah, I'm good.
Did your power come back on, or did you hook a generator up?
I got my generator hooked up. I'm not sure if the power's on or not. I guess I should check.
Okay, so
Power is on.
did you need a circuit breaker? Because I was just thinking I probably have a 30 amp or a good chance at my trailer.
No, I think I've got it dialed in. You guys working away?
Oh yeah, no, we're working away. I just want to make sure you guys were good. And did Mike's power come back on?
I don't know. I'm going to call him right now and find out if not, I have some gas and some propane and stuff for him, so I'll take it out to him.
All right, buddy. Well, I'm on standby and helping the girls here, but I'm on standby if you need any electrical assistance.
Okay.
So you just
Thanks.
tell me what you need. All right, thanks, man.
All right, brother.
All right, goodbye. Praise God, he's got his generator hooked up. It is handy to have a generator for backup power, I will say that. But at least it's not super cold. We got lots of snow, but that's not super cold. Back to helping with the launch, and we're just going to be on standby.
And jump back.
We just had the power blip. Are you concerned, babe? Are you
I
concerned?
need to hurry up and finish printing. Because once I finish printing, we can still go.
Yeah, but I have to hook up a generator to have light.
You can have flashlights. Candles. We'll be fine.
And then maybe this one. Can you hear that one too? Thanks.
Has arrived. We're all safe.
Hallelujah, we have the food. Just dropped off some McDonald's for everyone. I didn't think about it because there's a lot of places without power. Everybody's going to get either fast food or restaurants, and they're backed up like 2 streets, and it's crazy, crazy time. So question for you guys, is this what you would consider a storm? Would you classify this as a storm compared to where you are? I would call this, for our particular area of Alaska, a storm. When you have this much power outages and this much snow all at one time, it's that heavy, crazy snow. Yeah, but this too shall pass. It's all good. It's all good, but would you guys consider this a storm, or would you consider this just kind of just a heavy snowfall? Curious down below. All right, let's go eat some McDonald's because it's what we could get, right? All right, we're allowed to cheat and have some McDonald's every now and then. And we'll get back on the orders. Again, thank you guys so much for all your support and for just supporting like my wife's endeavors and our family's endeavors. And I hope you really enjoy these pieces. She has put so much time and so much effort into Alaskan Apparel, so it really makes her heart giddy and happy. We enjoy products that she made, that she put so much time and effort into. So thank you guys for your support. All right, let's get some food, then back to the orders.
I can see it in your eyes.
Okay, guys, we made it back home. Got a lot of it done.
Yeah.
We had a whole team. Mom, me, Wendy, Savannah, Sarah, my babe, Audrey, Evelyn, my mother-in-law. It was fantastic.
Yeah.
Dude, we got so much stuff done. So, my babe actually went to go help a friend. One of the ladies who was helping us pack, actually, her husband. There's no power in a lot of the areas of North Pole right now. And so he went over and he helped out and got a generator hooked all up for them. So that was pretty awesome. And thankfully, our power is not out where we're at, nor at the shop. Holy moly, otherwise we would be not doing anything. We all just got back a little bit ago. Everyone was running every which way. The 2 youngest kids kind of stayed over with Grandpa for part of the fill thing. Evelyn's on the couch. She's exhausted. Oh, look at the time. Look at that time. Yeah, it's super late. We're winding it all down. But it was a great, productive day. It was super stinking awesome. I cannot believe it how much snow we've actually gotten. It was like no one was prepared. We still have leaves on our trees and my grass is still green. No one was prepared for this much snowfall. Actually, I was taking one of my girlfriends home that helped me package, and GVA is out right now at this hour trying to get power back up and working and all the things. So anyway, it should be a fun next few days. I hope you guys enjoyed today. No idea what it was. I spent most of my day at the shop filling, packaging, getting everything ready to get shipped out. We probably have 98% of all orders filled before Monday. I'm so stinking excited. My post office is probably not going to be as excited, but we got her done. We'll be able to get everything off to you guys tomorrow. Be looking for your stuff in the mail. I'm so excited. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.
I'm on my way now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. YouTube channel.